Alright guys, I need some help here. I got my '01 Silverado. It's been running rough, but today it's just not right. Here it is, the '01. It's got the 5.3 in it. It was running good a couple weeks ago. Then it started having misfires and everything. There it is. I don't know what's wrong with it, honestly. Put a new coil pack here, cylinder 2. It was saying cylinder 2 misfire. Then I put another one on cylinder 7. I'm gonna go ahead and try starting it up for you guys. Like I said, wherever the keys went, it tries to start, but it doesn't really. Not really. Here we go. Like, it does not want to stay running at all, unless you keep your foot on it a little bit. Like, see where it goes? Watch. Still running. You guys can hear it. And it doesn't sound good at all. Alright guys, so if you can help me out, I'd appreciate it. If not, this weekend I'm going to rip the motor out and put a new one in it. So if you guys can help me out before then, before I spend the big money, let me know. Alright, thank you guys. Appreciate it.